Welcome class. Today we will do chapter number 25, message writing. So what is a message? A message is a form of written communication for the person with whom you cannot speak directly. So a message is a form of written communication for a person with whom we cannot talk directly. So we leave a message for them. So what are the features of message writing? So here some of the features of message writing is given. A message should be short and to the point. So a message should always be short and it should be to the point. It should not be written in a long paragraph. So a message should always be short and to the point. Number 2, it can begin with a brief salutation like dear mummy, dear Anuj, etc. So it always begins with a brief salutation like dear mummy, dear Anuj, etc. Whatever the name of the message reader is, you have to write, you have to begin with a salutation. Number 3, include only important details in the message. So we will always include the important details in the message. We will only write the important details. Date and time of the receiving the message should be mentioned. So always we will remember that date and time of the receiving messages should be mentioned at the message writing. Number 5th point, a message need not be written in formal language or in long sentences. However, clarity should be maintained even if words are omitted. So a message, it should always be written in short sentences. It should not be written in formal languages or long sentences, but the clarity of the sentence should be maintained. Put your name at the end of the message. So we will always put our name at the end of the message. Put the entire content in a box. So always we will put the entire content in a box. See, the layout of the message is given. The structure of the message writing is given. First of all, we will write the date and time when we are writing the message. After that, we will give a brief salutation over here to whom we are writing the message. After that, we will write the body, the content of the message over here, and at last we will write our name like writer's signature or our name. See, let us do one solved example. Read the following telephone conversation between Anil and his sister. Write a message for Sania in about 40 words. So Anil wants to convey a message to Sania. So Anil, hello Di, it's me Anil. Is Sania at home? Sister, no, she is actually out at the moment, but where are you calling from? Anil, actually I am calling from the airport. Please ask her to return my library book entitled Language Structure to the school library before 20th February. It is very urgent. Sister, okay, I will do that. Anything else? Anil, also tell her that the library will be remain closed on 16 to 18 June. Sister, don't worry, I will convey your message. Anil, thanks Di, bye. Sister, bye bye and have a safe journey. So a message is being written. A message is written to Sania by her sister. So first of all, we will write the date and time. After that, to whom we are conveying the message, like we are conveying the message to Sania. What is the message now? We will write over here. Anil called up from airport to ask you to return his library book entitled Language Structure to the school library before 20th June. Remember, the library will remain closed on June 16 to 18. Who has written? Write the name over here, sister, and the entire message should be inside a box. Okay, so a second example is also there. You should practice it, and also some exercise is given. Your homework is to go through this second example, and also you have to do the exercises given in your book, page number 128. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.